char array, I mean this object type is what? Char array. Here this object type is what? Capital A. Whatever this object class is what? Class A. Whatever this object class is having as instance methods, those instance methods will be available within the object. Getting? Observe here, this is the proof. Now come, char array object. Getting? Now char array object class is what? Class this one, open subscript followed by C. Does that class have any instance methods? Observe properly. Yes, we are having one instance method. Getting? We are having one instance method, and also you are having one instance variable which is final. Getting? Which is final. Getting? Observe here. Observe here. Int I is what? Instance variable. Instance variable available within object. And now here also we are having one instance variable. Getting? Observe here. Now this one also will be available within the object. Let it be int length. Now what is this value? We will discuss. Okay. Now this method is what? ToString method, which is instance method, which is having no static keyword at method prototype. Getting? Now observe. Now observe. Even this method will be available within the object. Getting? Let it be ToString. Getting? Now observe here some implementation. Even I don't know. We will discuss. Okay, we will discuss. Okay. Now this is the entire thing. How this object is having instance methods along within the object, like that even this char array object also having instance methods within its object. Getting? It will have that instance method within its object. Okay. Now observe. What is the implementation of ToString? What is the length variable value? Getting? On which basis length variable value will be decided? Simple thing. Observe. We have understood one thing. What is that? If I pass reference variable as argument to system.out.println statement, internally JVM calls what? Internally ToString method will be executed by JVM, right? ToString method, guys. Okay, ToString method. Now C is what? A reference variable. You are using new, and also you are using some subscript. It is also a class. Observe, class is available here. Getting? Now C dot ToString available or not? Yes, it is having that ToString method. JVM will call C dot ToString method internally, guys. Okay, ToString method JVM will call. Now this ToString method of class called char array is having implementation, that is logic. Here within this method we are having logic to return data of char array, that is the values available within the blocks. Okay, to return what? The data available at blocks. Getting? To return the data available at blocks. Now what is the blocks data, and very important, observe, to return data available at blocks from 0th index. Okay, from what is that, from 0th index to last index. Getting? From 0th index to last index. ToString method having logic to return data available within the blocks from 0th index to last index. Getting? From 0th index to last index. Okay, now ToString method call. Now you will get the output as what? A, B, C. Observe here, we have gotten the output as what? A, B, C. You may be asking one question. What is that? Observe. Mister, why do you go for char array? Why can't you go for int array? Mister, why can't you go for int array? Getting? Integer array of 3. You can initialize the array as what? 97. And a of 1 as what? 98. A of 2 as what? 99. This is also possible, right? And up to here there will be char array with 3 blocks, right? 0, 1, 2. Here 97, 98, 99. Even you are having class for integer array. What is that class means? Observe here. Okay, class int array or else integer single dimension array. Even here you are having ToString method, okay, with some implementation. You are having one final variable called length, okay, having some data. Observe here, why I'm going to char array? Why not integer array? Why not short array? Why not byte array, long array, float array, boolean array, double array? Why I'm not going to those arrays? Simple reason. Observe. Within this, now one second, observe. An object has been created. There will be address. Let it be 27. Okay, and the hash code approximate integer value of this address is our hash code. Let it be 6336. Okay, now approximate hexadecimal string value of this address or this hash code is our reference value. Getting? Let it be A. This one I am copying to A, friends. Okay, 117A. Okay, observe here. Okay, now from this person I can reach that block or that area. Now observe why I am not using that one. Okay, this is what? Class integer array. I have said to you one thing. This primitive array classes available at java.exe internally they have dumped within .exe file. They are not at all not available at API level. Getting? We cannot open these classes and see the implementation. Getting? Now observe, they didn't override this ToString method. Observe here, they didn't override. Of course, I'm sorry. Of course, observe here, they didn't override this ToString method within integer array, and they didn't override ToString method in byte array, short array, long, float, double. Getting? Observe here. I'll come to this point. Now what happens here? Internally ToString method will be executing by JVM. If I pass any reference value as an argument to what? System.out.println statement. Getting? Now Do we have any here internally JVM will call like this, see, to string method. Now observe a dot to string, right? A dot I, a dot I, a dot m1, a dot m1, fine, everything is fine. Now a dot to string, hello mister, within this object where is to string method? To string method. But if you compile and execute, it will compile successfully, it will give even output to us. Observe here how means. Now we have understood this one at our first session of lang package unit. Each and every class at our Java is child to what? Object class through direct hierarchy or through indirect hierarchy, right? Now this class doesn't extend any other class. So this class is what? Direct child to object class. Getting? Now observe, in our object class we are having some 11 methods, like what? To string method, hash code method, many methods. Okay, let it be. Let us talk about this hash code method, to string method only. Now through inheritance, whatever parent is having by default available to child, we all know that one. Okay, now when that will happen, and of course if you want much reason, much analyzed thing how inheritance happening at our Java, please refer essay relationship and constructors topic as part of WOOP concept. There I have given very good analyzed things to understand that inheritance. Okay, now observe here, to understand these things, I'll give the sufficient knowledge. Okay, observe. Now whatever parent is having by default available to whom? Child. Getting? Now what is the meaning of that? Means observe, A is child to object class. Now parent class methods will be available to child. That's it. At runtime, getting? At runtime only they will be available. At runtime means at our object creation. Observe here. Now here you will have what? To string method also. Getting? Now you are inheriting this to string from object class, whatever parent is having by default available to child. Friends, observe, within this object not only these two methods, even some more methods will be existing. All object class methods also will exist. If you have doubts, put like this: SOP of a dot hash code, it will be executing perfectly, but I don't have space here to write all of those things. Try to understand that. Through inheritance you will get even hash code method, clone method, equals method, getting? Wait method, notify all method, get class, many methods we will have through inheritance. Okay, now let's talk about only toString method here. Now object class toString method having implementation as what? Means observe here. Okay, object class toString method having implementation as what? Return get class dot get name plus appending a literal plus 2 hex string of hash code. Getting? Hash code. This is the implementation within our toString method of object class, friends. Okay, now this class don't have any toString method, it is inheriting from object class. Okay, so the same implementation will be available here. What is the return get class, get name, plus appending that literal, all of these things. Okay, now observe here. Okay, same implementation. Okay, now This implementation only will be available here. Okay, now if I do execute this one, what will be the output? Simple thing. Observe here, what is that output? A at followed by some random number. Okay, I don't want to talk about that. Okay, we are some integer hexadecimal string value you will have, and observe that will an approximate value. This value and this value will not be same. Okay, here you will have some approximate value. Okay, whereas here it is different value. Don't get confused with address, hash code, reference value, and this hexadecimal string format of our hash code. Okay, observe here, address, hash code, reference variable, value. I said that either address or hash code will be considered to give approximate hexadecimal string value. Getting? So that will be our reference value. And here if you take this something, let it be as what? 1 to AF. Okay, and if you do reverse conversion, you will not get this one. Okay, if you want to do some research on that, you can do. Okay, but it is an approximate value. Getting? Okay, let it be. Now what we have understood, even at the time of object creation, J will inherit instance methods of parent class within this object. That is, it will write even parent method instance parent class instance methods within the object. Getting? It will write even parent class instance methods within the object. That's why a dot to string, observe here, a dot to string is valid, a dot to string is valid. Observe this part. I will execute and I will show to you, friends. Okay, observe, a dot to string will be valid. Just this part, let me compile and execute so that you can feel confident. What we are discussing? We are discussing about this toString method implementation. First we are discussing what? We are about to discuss string class constructor, that is parameterized constructor. To understand that one, why we have to go to that constructor? Getting? We are understanding some prerequisite. Getting? What is that prerequisite? We are having one requirement to convert all the uppercase alphabets to lowercase alphabets. I think that is our requirement without using string class object and string class constructors. Okay, observe here. So I have taken char array. Why didn't I take int array? Why I have taken only char array? I think char array. I think I will tell. Okay, simple thing. Here toString method implementation is different than that. Nothing. I will prove that one to you. Okay, observe here. So I have taken one char array. Getting? And each and every primitive array at our Java is what? A class. Those classes available at our JVM within java.exe, not available at API level. Getting? And now those those classes are having some variables and methods also. Getting? Some methods also those classes are having, those methods having some logic. Getting? Some logic. Now because of this statement or because of this statement, both are same, creating a primitive character array. Both the things will give same meaning to us, but here the representations will be different. That is, statement representations will be different, but memory representations will be same. Okay, observe. So because of subscript, 3 consecutive blocks has been allocated by JVM, that too in continuous fashion, friends. Okay, because of 3, and after that new operator will get execute, memory allocation. Each and every object will have an address. That address approximate integer value is our hash code. Either address or either hash code approximate conversion to hexadecimal string is our reference value that I am copying to. Now assignment operator executes, copying to C. So C variable will have value as what? 9f, 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 both are same. Getting? Now from this person I can reach this area. Getting? Now observe. So this we have done. Now I have taken one class called A, which is having one instance member, and I'm having one static method. I'm having one instance method. This is instance variable or instance data member. Now within this main method, which is static, this is static, friends. Okay, this one is static. Okay, now I want to access I variable value within this area. How to access? Simply if you put SOP of I, compile time error. How to avoid that one? Create an object through the reference variable, we can avoid that one. So because of object creation, what happens? There will be an object creation with I as the data. Other than, and this object will have address, hash code and reference value that will be copied to a variable. Okay, now other than this memory allocation, does JVM do any other work? Means yes, it will do. We have proved that one by using m1 method. Observe here, a dot I is valid. Now if I want to access m1 method within main method, means how? M1 method within static method main. If I call m1, it will give compile time error. How we can avoid? Once again by using reference variable a dot m1. So a dot m1 means definitely this instance method must be available within what? Our within our object. Here observe. Other than this instance method, JVM will write even inherited methods from parent class. Getting? Parent class, inherited methods of parent class. Those methods must be instance methods, not static methods. Okay, so toString method is inherited from object class. Even that method will be available within this object. So that's why if I put SOP of A or else SOP of A dot toString, no issues, it will compile and it will execute. But I don't have toString method within this class. It will execute this. It will have toString method inheriting from object class. Object class toString method is having implementation in this fashion. So it will go like this output. Okay. And what is other one? If you pass any reference variable as argument to system.out.println method, internally JVM calls toString method. Internally toString method will be executed by JVM. Either this will happen or else you can write this statement also. No restrictions, no issues. Okay, now that is what we are understanding. Observe here, this is instance method. So when we created this object, at that time this instance method also available within the object. Getting? M1 method. Now observe here. Okay, now observe here, this is what, because of this statement object has been created, right? Object has been created. Now this object type is what? Char array. Now this char array class instance methods also will be available within the object. Yes, getting? Yes. And also here, this is instance variable, even that variable also available within the object. Okay, yes. So that's why even this length variable also available within this char array object. But we are understanding the implementation of toString method and this length variable value. Within the char array, toString method is overridden with logic as what do you know? To return data available within the block from 0th index to last index. That is the implementation of, or that is the logic within the toString method of char array, single dimension array. Getting? Now here you might be having one small doubt. What is that? Why, mister, you are going for char array? Why not for int array? Simple thing. Observe here, I have created integer array, primitive int array, having data as what? 979899 and everything, address, hash code, reference value, everything fine. Now observe here. Even this int array is also having what? A class. Getting? It is also having a class. Now within this int array class, toString method not overridden. Getting? toString method not overridden, friends. Like our char array class, you don't have any toString method here. Now even a class is not having toString method. Now a class is child to whom? Object class by default. Getting? Now a dot toString is valid. How? To inheritance, you are getting toString method implementation of object class. So here a dot toString, or else internally JVM will call a dot toString method. We all know, right? Now observe here. Whenever I created this int array object, otherwise square brace I. Getting? Here if I pass SOP of here, SOP of a. Getting? SOP of what? A. What happens? Simple thing. Observe, friends. Okay, SOP of what? A. A is what? A reference variable. Observe here, toString method will be executing by JVM or not? Yes. Now a dot toString only, right? Yes. Now do we have any toString method within the int array class? No. It will inherit that method from object class. This array is child to object class. Observe by default, friends. Getting? Now object class toString method is what? Object class toString method implementation is what? Return class name, appending a literal string literal plus returning what? Hexadecimal string value of hash code. So object class toString method will be available here. Getting? Object class. Now observe this one carefully. This method is related to object class, and here within the char array, toString method is related to char array class, which is returning the data available within the blocks of char array from 0th index to last index. Whereas here in integer array, do we have such facility? No. Getting? That's why I am using char array. Other than that, nothing. That's why internally string class also uses only char array. Getting? That's why internally I will show you even string class will use char array only. Okay, now observe, we are very near to bring that output. Observe. Now what this length variable will have? It will have the count of, or it will represent number of blocks within the array, that is within the array object. Now how many blocks here? 3 blocks, so it will have the number as what? 3. Here also it will have the number as what? 3. Even here also you will have what? Length variable. Now how many blocks we have? 3 blocks. Here also you will have the number as what? 3. Now observe. That's why we are going to char array. What's the reason? Because of toString method implementation, that is overriding within the char array. Okay, just observe. First let me compile this, not this directly, let me go and compile this one and this one, so that we can feel confident and we are having a little logic to get this one. Okay, I will do that one after a while. First observe this compilation and execution, so we can be confident. Observe here, just a minute, observe here. Now let me take a class called A. Okay, here take one int array A equals to, what is that? Let it be 979899. Okay, now I can write, observe here friends. Okay, I can write either this one, or else in this way also I can write int array of A equals to 97 98 99. This is syntax, no need to worry. Okay, that is syntax friends. Okay, and there is no much logic. Okay, it is just the syntax thing. Okay, now observe. Okay, observe, either this or this you can write here also as part of char array. Okay, observe. Now pass A as an argument to system.out.println. Observe here, because of this one, either this or this one you can write friends. Okay, A equals to new int array of 3. Now here A of 0 getting equals to 97. Other one is what? A of 1 equals to 98 and A of 2 equals to what? 99. Either this or this you can write.